Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if y'all are new, it's your girl Big KD, aka K, aka Camilla, aka Big KD. But we back with another unboxing video. If you guys read by the title, then y'all already know. But for the little children that can't read up in the back, today we're unboxing a pink iPad. Pink eye pizzy. I got the pink eye pizzy. You hear me? Get the nice unboxing. About to try to get into it. Content is coming. Drop down below in the comment section some iPad content, some iPad apps, and y'all, I'm so freaking happy, y'all. This is my first iPad. And I did a big one, you hear me? Brought it myself, or I paid off by myself. Y'all did my big one. I got the Apple Pencil, you hear me? Yeah, this gonna last. Got the pencil. I have a case. Y'all, it ain't really girly, but I have the pink one, so pink and black is cute. Is that lip gloss? Got it. My iPad. Period. I got the iPad. Period. It was $449, and after sales taxes, it was $475.94. So, big one. I did my big one. This was a nice investment. And y'all, I just feel like now I shouldn't have no excuses or anything. Camera is coming soon, y'all. I'm doing my big one. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe down below. Make sure you guys hit that notification bell so you guys are up.
And yes, y'all, everything's from Best Buy.
When I upload, do y'all hear me? Okay, do y'all hear me? Let me say it one more time. Make sure you guys hit that notification bell so y'all are notified when I upload. Okay, y'all, so we still getting used to that YouTube stuff, so don't mind me. I have the 64 gigabyte 10th generation Wi-Fi only. If I need any cellular like connection in the future reference, I'll do that. But for now, I got the Wi-Fi use only, so whatever. I was planning on doing the TikTok, but the way that this is going, look. Okay. I'm gonna put that right there. Y'all know how people videos are like more aesthetic? Yeah. This obviously is not that, but you get the gist. My tripod is broken, so it's just like everything is not going correctly. I refuse to wait another minute. Okay, I had this iPad since. One second, I'm trying to see the time purchase. I don't know. However, whatever time is 1921. That's how long I've been waiting. I think I ain't gonna throw that in the garbage. I ain't mean to do that. Since like 2 or 3 o'clock. Yeah, like 2 or 3. Okay. Oh my god! Oh my gosh. Okay, so let's set this to the side. Let me see so y'all can see the pink in it. Y'all see my room. I'm just in love with pink, you know? Okay, so what's in here? Designed by Apple, you know. They got their little sticker. Y'all, the stickers up in here. Oh my god. I'm so excited, guys. So you know the books that they give you. Stickers, you know. Books and stickers, you know. You see it. And then OMG, y'all. So they gave me a new box. I have a new box. Yeah. So y'all, Ray had ordered some food. But y'all see like the texture? Like you see how it's like it's a textured charger. Like it's not like the normal one. In the box, y'all, I'm surprised because people be complaining about not getting a box, just the charger. So I'm surprised and happy that I got both, with both. Okay. Okay, y'all got a back camera. Ah! Okay, so let's do it one more time. One more time, y'all. I'm excited. Okay. OMG! Oh my gosh! Look at her. Okay. Okay. Let's turn her on now. What? Y'all. I'm that girl. Oh my gosh. Fully charged, 89%. Don't play with me. Be closer. So, I was thinking about having my YouTube, iCloud, you know, just for this iPad. So, let's do our thing, you know. Okay, connected to the Wi-Fi. Period. Yeah. Okay, it says it may take a few minutes to activate your iPad. Period. Touch ID is crazy. Oh my god, what finger I'm on? I'm gonna do my index finger. Yeah, it has Touch ID. Oops, I pushed it. Yo, I'm officially that girly. Like, oh my gosh, I can't believe it. Yo, she has Touch ID. So geeked up right now, y'all. Okay. What's my passcode gonna be? Let me see. Don't be in my glasses now. Don't start that junk. Do not start that junk. Let me have a day, please. Tell me the phone's gonna crack. Okay, so I'm gonna do. Y'all look sorry. I was gonna tell y'all what I was gonna put as my iCloud. I'm not gonna put it because y'all cannot be comfortable. But if y'all do want to contact me, make sure you guys go ahead and tap in with my social media platforms. TikTok, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, you name it. Tap in. Tap in.
Tap, tap, tap in. Wrist on glitter.
Okay, y'all. So, I just finished setting everything up. Period. Save this for last. We're gonna save this for last. We're gonna do the case first. Earlier it slid right. I was about to say earlier it slid right out. Okay. That was easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Okay. So this is what it looks like in the inside. Okay, this is what it looks like in the inside. It's the 360 triggers. Has the volume buttons right there. The pencil holder, you know. Period. Let me know down below, is it dumb to have like, you know, like the Apple Pay on your phone? Y'all, it's starting to get dirty already, so let's hurry up. And y'all, I'm gonna get a screen protector like next week. I'm gonna get the paper one, but I just wanted to use, like, you know, I wanted to use the iPad and the pencil before I got the screen protector, just to, so I can, you know, see the difference and, you know, everything. Y'all, it's going in perfectly. That looks nice. You can't even tell I have the pink eye. That's so freaking cute. Oh my gosh. Like, yes, so it's 360. You could turn it either which way. Oh, my bad, y'all. I don't know how to use it, but okay, so it's stand up like that. Ah! So big, it's bigger than my face. Y'all, I'm so excited. I keep getting the hiccups. Okay, so it's time for the pencil. Y'all, my sister got an iPad and she was so excited. Like, when she saw my pencil, she was like, who is that for? Like, what do you mean, who is it for? I wonder what iPad she has to, like, see if her iPad is compatible with the pencil. But yeah, y'all, make sure y'all comment down below, like, some good iPad games, you know. Okay. I'm trying not to mess up the box for real. Let me see. I don't care how the plastic come out, y'all, as long as the box don't mess up. I don't really care. You heard that? Like, okay, so the Apple Pencil that I have, I guess it's more generations because it says Apple Pencil first generation, USB-C, Apple Pencil adapter. Oh, that thing was sliding. Hold on. I didn't know. Find you someone to play with. Find you someone to play with. Big Apple. Okay. She kinda skinny, y'all. I didn't get myself hiccups. Dang. Okay, we come in here. Oh, we got some stuff that comes in
So
here.
basically, throughout this part, I was confused and dying from hiccups, obviously.
Oh, Lord. I'm sorry, y'all. I don't know what's going on. I ain't never seen a Apple Pencil unboxing. So I just want to see what these say. Fast charge with USB cable. Oh. Okay. So this is like the charger piece. Take a charger pencil. You know, that's not reading. It's fundamentally the paper's in there. I'm being nosy, nah, it's nothing. Okay, but yeah, no Apple Pencil stickers, but it's okay. Okay, y'all, all I needed was a little bit of water, but this piece, like from what I'm reading and seeing and stuff, so this is the charger piece. This piece charges it, and this is like an extra tip. This one looks skinnier than the one that came with the pencil. This is the Apple Pencil itself. This is how it looks. I like this silver piece. It's so pretty. Okay, I guess this is the pencil. The part to turn it on and off. Yes, this is the pencil itself, y'all. It feels so nice. Like, that's what this is. So we're gonna put this back, you know. I think I might carry it around just so I can learn how to like use it. Cause I don't know how to use this at all. But this like the little unboxing for this. Oh crap! Y'all don't mind my hands. I'm a little ashy, but y'all get the gist. Period. It's so shiny and sleek. You know. Okay, so let's see how to connect this bad baby. See if y'all can see. Okay. So I'm gonna just push the button that I saw. There's a USB part on there. I'm gonna plug it into the bottom and see what that do. Oh, it doesn't fit. Ah! Ah! Jeez. I'm messing up already. Okay, I think you need this to connect it. I'm gonna use the short one because like why you being all extra for?
Y'all, that's not a button, and I was honestly confused trying to connect this dang on pencil.
I'm confused, y'all. I can't lie. Okay, we're going on YouTube. I feel like they gave me the wrong pencil. Hey Siri, what time does Best Buy close today? Y'all, I feel like they gave me the wrong pencil because, y'all, I don't know. Let me see what time Best Buy closes. It's currently 9:30. I mean 8:30. Yeah, they closed. They close at 8. That's crazy. Okay. Yo, I'm kind of sad because I know they gave me the wrong one. It's supposed to go in there. Yo, I don't know. 1 second. I'm trying to figure something out because I don't want to be upset or anything. They didn't give me the right pen. I told them I had the 10th generation and everything.
Okay, so now right here at this point, this is where we started to get somewhere, you know what I'm saying? So if you decide to get the first generation Apple Pencil, you need your iPad charger to connect the pencil, not your regular iPhone charger.
Y'all, this is confusing. Okay, my iPhone charger can't work on my iPad charger. Did I say that correctly? Yeah, my iPhone charger can't work on my iPad charger. So let's see.
Y'all, and I can't lie or be fake. I was using my iPhone charger. I don't know why.
Okay, and then it said make sure that the Bluetooth settings is on. Oh, y'all, it's right here. It's not the wrong pencil. Okay, so it says Bluetooth pair request. Apple Pencil, would you like to pair it? Y'all, it's right there. It says it. It says Apple Pencil. OMG. Wait. Why is it not working?
Yo, I literally, like, oh my god, don't laugh at me. Like, I'm trying to figure out how to work this pencil right now. So.
Okay, let me see. I'm about to put
Just vibe with me. Okay. Okay.
The battery widget. So I can see if it's charged. Okay. It's on 100. Okay, it says welcome to Apple Pencil. Yeah. It's working. OMG! It's working! Okay, let me see. Keyboard brightness. Quick note. Screen recording. Okay. Silent mode, timer.
Yeah, I do apologize. I wasn't being verbal with y'all at all. So right here at this point in time, I had realized that you can write with the pencil instead of typing.
Okay.
If that makes sense. And I was amazed. I ain't gonna lie. And as y'all can see, I couldn't stop like writing stuff. I was amazed that I didn't have to actually type on the keyboard.
Yeah, I'm just doing stuff. Okay. I can't get back to that one thing they was trying to show me. I should have just read it to y'all. But yeah, though, I'm gonna carry around the big one. Y'all, I said I was gonna try not to be dramatic and extra, but I need it. I need the big one. Okay, let's stop screen recording. Where'd that one box go? Where are you? Where did you go? What? Oh. Okay. So put that piece in there. Okay. Then we're gonna put this right here. Keep up with it. Perfectly. Period. Looks so nice right there, doesn't it? But yeah. I didn't make the rise to wake work, but y'all, this is my iPad. I'm so satisfied and amazed with everything. Everything went right today. I kind of thought that it wasn't, y'all, because the Apple Pencil thing, but that wasn't the case. So I'm so excited that that wasn't the case. Everything went as planned, and it is currently April 18th. This video should be dropping like with that goes to say, make sure you guys have a nice day and like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you guys want to be sister, besties, brothers, or sitters, make sure you guys let me know and click that red button right here, and subscribe to the channel so we can be like that, you know, period. And I am going to be making another YouTube video soon. I do be posting like mini vlogs and everything on my TikTok, so make sure you guys go tap into that. And I am active mostly every other day, every day on my Instagram, so make sure you guys tap into that, okay? And I will be posting some little bomb flicks on my story, so make sure y'all watch my story and watch my highlights if you guys missed any story, just to get caught up and, you know, period. Feeling it, I'm loving it. Y'all just continue to be blessed as I am, and see y'all next time. Hey girls, say something you don't. Say hey. Hi. Open it.
What color was it? I know it's gonna be